Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that Lily invested a sum of money and the simple interest is 2.5% per annum. After 10 years, she earned a total interest of $1,840. Calculate the amount of money Lily invested. Okay, so each year she earns 2.5%, right? And after 10 years, she earned a total interest of $1,840. So I'm going to use this method, okay? So I will want to find the interest after 1 year, which is quite straightforward. Since every year the interest is the same, so I'm going to divide by 10. And I know this represents 2.5%. Since this is the interest that I incurred per annum. And the sum of money, which is the original, is usually the 100%. And so, I just need to divide by 2.5 to get 1%. Before I multiply by 100, and this will then give me $7,360. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.